Hello everyone, this is David Lewis with your tip of the week. And today I want to talk to you about selling during this COVID-19 period and how to clearly set yourself apart. Now I'm not going to deceive you, but this tip takes a bit of work, but it is well worth it. You see, during this period of time with the coronavirus affecting all of us one way or another, more people now than in the past are doing most of their car shopping online. They are searching for the car they want and then reaching out to the dealership, either by email or by phone. Regardless of what method they use to contact you, your reply should always include a video. A video of the exact car they're calling about, or maybe if their questions are more generic, a row of cars based on their request. Now make sure these videos are personalized directly to the customer. Use their name. Let them know you took the extra time to do this for them. I promise you this effort will not go unnoticed. You will now appear as someone who truly cares and wants to earn their business. So again, my tip is this: use the power of video. Regardless of the question or request, always include some form of short video response. And if you really want to take this idea to the next level, in your video, ask them if they would like an even more detailed video of the car, maybe one including the interior. And if they reply with yes, then my guess is you're on your way to a sale. Good luck, and always, please be safe.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.